The world's deepest postbox. In the Scottish village of Susami Bay, there is a postbox that is over 10 meters underwater, making it the world's deepest postbox. It was installed by the Japanese Postal Service in 1999, and is accessible to scuba divers who can mail waterproof postcards. The mailbox receives around 1,000 to 1,500 pieces of mails annually, which are collected by the employee of the Yamatani Dive Shop. It's the same shop from where people buy water-resistant postcards and write messages with an oil-based paint marker. A town with no roads. The town of Giethoorn in the Netherlands is often referred to as the Venice of the North, because it has no roads. Instead, the town is built on canals, and the only way to get around is by boat or on foot. This makes it a popular tourist destination and a unique place to visit. A fire tornado. A fire tornado, also known as a fire whirl, is a rare phenomenon that occurs when a fire is combined with strong winds. This creates a spinning vortex of flame that can reach heights of up to 100 meters. Fire tornadoes are extremely dangerous and can cause significant damage. A diamond planet. In 2012, astronomers discovered a planet that is believed to be made entirely of diamonds. This planet, known as 55 Cancri, is twice the size of Earth and is located around 40 light-years away from us. The extreme pressure and temperature on this planet are believed to have caused carbon to crystallize into diamonds. There's a lake in Venezuela that's permanently covered in lightning. Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela is known for its incredible lightning storms. The storms are so frequent and intense that the lake is often referred to as the lightning capital of the world. A plant that eats animals. The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant that is native to the United States. It has leaves that are designed to trap insects, and when an insect lands on one of the leaves, it triggers the plant to close its leaves around the insect, trapping it inside. The plant then releases digestive enzymes that break down the insect and absorb its nutrients. There's a species of jellyfish that's considered biologically immortal. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish, also known as the immortal jellyfish, has the ability to revert back to its juvenile form after reaching maturity. This means that it's essentially able to live forever, as it can continue to regenerate its cells and start its life cycle over again. A lake that turns animals into statues. The Lake Natron in Tanzania is known for its extremely high levels of alkalinity, which can cause animals that enter the water to become calcified and turn into statues. This has resulted in some eerie-looking animal sculptures around the lake. A bird that mimics chainsaws. The lyrebird, found in Australia, is known for its remarkable ability to mimic sounds. It is capable of imitating a range of sounds, including car alarms, camera shutters, and even chainsaws. A snake with two heads. The two-headed snake is a rare genetic abnormality that occurs when two embryos fuse together in the womb. These snakes often have difficulty surviving in the wild as they can have trouble coordinating their movements, but they have become popular attractions in zoos and other animal exhibits. The longest wedding veil ever worn was longer than 63 football fields put together. The record for the longest wedding veil ever worn goes to a woman in Cyprus who wore a veil that measured over 22,843 feet long. To put that into perspective, it's longer than 63 football fields put together. The Great Pyramids of Giza were once covered in smooth white limestone. While the pyramids of Giza may look like they're made entirely out of rough, tan-colored stone, they were once covered in smooth white limestone. Over time, this outer layer has eroded away, leaving only the rough inner core behind. The world's largest snowflake on record measured 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. According to the Guinness World Records, the largest snowflake ever recorded fell in Montana in 1887. It measured 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes. The Anglo-Zanzibar War, which took place in 1896, is the shortest war in history. It began at 9:02 a.m. on August 27 and was over by 9:40 a.m. the same day, with the British emerging victorious. The longest living vertebrate on Earth is the Greenland shark, which can live for over 400 years. Scientists have discovered that the Greenland shark, which is found in the icy waters of the North Atlantic, can live for over 400 years. This makes it the longest living vertebrate on Earth. The shortest scheduled flight in the world lasts only 47 seconds. The Loganair flight from the Scottish islands of Westray and Papa Westray is the shortest scheduled flight in the world. It lasts only 47 seconds, but it's still an important lifeline for the residents of these two remote islands. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. While it might sound strange, humans actually share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. This is because both humans and bananas share a common ancestor from over 1 billion years ago. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.